Hi, my name is Sunny. I am from India. Basically, what we're doing in India is we organize a trip from all over the world to India. Who want to come to India for the medical treatment. That's what we are doing in India from the last 15 years. We are healthcare consultants. We arrange a medical trip for you if anybody wants to come India for the health treatment. And mostly people in India, the specialist doctors, they don't go for surgeries. They always try to heal you from herbal medicines, as well as they put you in a good hand. So that's what we are doing in India. Even we will connect you directly with hospitals. No agents between you and hospital. That's
So,
what we are doing.
so tell me the tour of today. Where are we and what are you doing now?
Right now I am in Dubai Mall. This is my last day in Dubai. So tomorrow I am going back to India. So my friend, he helped me to take a look in Dubai, and I am so happy that I got a good friend today.
Yeah. So what have you enjoyed in Dubai?
In Dubai, I like safari. Safari I like.
Desert
As well-
safari.
Desert safari.
You went there.
Yeah, I went to Burj Khalifa. Okay. So that
Okay.
is very good.
Yeah. So this is the waterfalls now.
Yeah, with the waterfalls down. I am enjoying here.
Mm.
That's what I can say.
Why
brother.
do you think why is it tourists come to Dubai?
Tourists coming to Dubai because you don't need to pay any tax. It's a tax-free country. You don't. I mean, you can do whatever you want to do in Dubai. This is. I mean, I've been to all Asian countries, but Dubai is one of the best countries in the world.
Tourism is cheap.
Tourism is cheap. Another thing is no crime here. 0% crime.
Yeah.
Lady can walk here till 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Nobody can touch you.
Everyone controls himself.
Yeah. Everything controlled by automatic camera. This is a speciality of Dubai. Okay.
yeah.
So be sincere, be disciplined,
Yeah.
and come to India. So come to Dubai. Sorry.
So what have you not visited that you wish to visit again when you come back to Dubai?
Yes. Next time I want to come to Dubai and want to visit zoo. Zoo is very popular here. Aquarium. I want to visit next time, and there are some good beaches in Dubai that I wish to come with my family and want to visit.
So today you've come alone. Next time you're coming with your
Yeah.
family.